Hello there, let's learn about the audio trim removal tools today. It's from SEAMETAL company. All the tools are in one portable package, zipper design. The cloth package is with strong material and well protection of all the tools. You do not need to worry about one of them will be lost. Let's slide open it and take a look. 43 trimming tools allow you to find the right one to get your car interior modification job done. They will not break or bend easily, abrasion and corrosion resistant for a long-lasting durability. Oh, there seem so many. Okay, let's pick up some of them to have a look. 1. Let's see this pry. You can see it from different angles. You can see it's a very smooth, nice design tool. And this one too, when you touch it and you feel it so comfortable to use. Or this one with zigzag design and two-ended design. This one, small and handy one, very useful. You can use it for car film or home use. And this different, unique shaped one, and you can use it for more purposes. And look at this, it's with sharp design, very useful. You can choose it for your good use. Or you can use them not only for the car, but also for your home, boat, airplane, etc. And also all this with hanging hole design. It can be tied to a traction belt. They are convenient to use and they are portable. Now, let's look at more of them. The interior crowbar, long section, multiple clips removers. They are made of steel bar and plastic handle. They look so strong and with good quality. We have got two sizes of them here. You can choose the proper one to use. All these 4 different shapes. We got combination pick, 90-degree pick, straight pick, and hook pick. They are perfect for removing hoses, moldings, clips, clamps, seals, O-rings, cotter pins, gaskets, and more. They are stainless and with the comfortable handles. Use them to modify your car interior. Look at this bigger and stronger one, lighting pliers. 2 pieces together and help you better get your job done. It's also with a very good quality, strong and durable. You can use it for more purposes. And this one, a little separate bag containing 11 pieces of tools for your car audio modification. Replace the car CD player, applicable to many types of car CD player or video audio. Also can be used when you need to replace the old CD player or update the lower configuration to the higher configuration. And look at this, it's a wiring threader. It's useful too. And this one, we also have an extra backup, plastic tools for more choices. And this one, a pair of U-shape. It's also stainless material. It's strong for your car audio system modification. And we also have instruction book for more details with their size and more detailed specifications for you to use. And if you think 43 pieces still not enough for you to use, you can choose our another type of tools. We have got totally 99 pieces package too. Okay, now let's open it and take a look. Look, they are similar but bigger and stronger. It's also zipper designed package. A bigger pocket with 2 layers. more purposes to use, for your home use or others. Look at this. It's very useful. Not only used for your car, but also you can put it under the door to prevent from closing by the wind. And this one, unique design shape and size. Two-ended design. If you touch it, you feel so good as other tools, one side to pry open your car finish. And this one, widened design, is suitable for the assembly of large decorative parts such as window rubber strip, bumper decorative strip, etc. You can see here, all the tools are fashioned by the elastic belt. When you carry or move the package, the tools just stay in their places. Now, let's look at the other side of the pocket containing smaller size tools for your multiple choices. They are made of the same material and their shapes are different for your different use. Look at this, a U-shaped tool for car audio system, disassembly and assembly too. And this one, a spare plastic bag with 50 pieces retainers. We have got 6 different sizes here, and with white and black color. Oh, gloves! It's so considerate for you to use. It can protect your hands well. And look at the stainless tool. They are with high quality. It feels so smooth and comfortable to use. And we have also got other stainless tools with handles. They are just nice and unique design, pry things open easily. And a stainless strong tool with high quality will be always your first choice. Oh, look at this. It's rare to see. The shape is different from others, but with multiple function. Zigzag and knife design on the same item. And we also provide instruction book for your reference. It's in German and English version. I hope you can find more detailed information to use. And also we provide a blue color package. You can have more choices too. If you find my introduction useful and helpful, please follow and subscribe. SEAMETAL will provide you a better service as always we do. Thank you.